My innocent child, I am speaking to you right now. Yes, you, chosen one. Do not ignore this moment, something big is about to happen in your life. You have been wondering why everything felt so heavy, why you had to cry in silence, chosen one. I saw every tear, I counted every night you could not sleep. And I tell you this now, every scar you carry, was kept for you. Chosen one, nothing broke you by accident. I shaped you in silence, I protected you in pain. Even when you felt alone, I was there, watching over you. Something you have been waiting for is now moving closer to you. Chosen one, this is not delay, this is divine timing. Do not turn away now, because a sudden shift is coming. My faithful child, do not stop reading this. Because what I am about to reveal to your spirit, will shake your doubt forever. You felt like nothing was changing, but I was moving things you cannot see. Chosen one, I was rearranging people around you, I was closing doors you begged for. And I was protecting you from what you thought you wanted. You cried for answers, but I was building your answer in silence. Chosen one, listen carefully now. The delay you hated, was actually my shield over your life. I stopped certain paths because they were not meant for your destiny. And I allowed certain pain because it was shaping your strength. Chosen one, I know it hurt. I know you questioned everything. But I never lost you in that process, not even for a moment. Something hidden is now about to be revealed to you. And when it comes, you will finally understand why I kept you waiting. Chosen one, you are stepping into a season of sudden change. Doors will open without explanation. People who ignored you will suddenly notice you. And opportunities you stopped praying for, will come looking for you. Chosen one, this is not coincidence, this is my hand. Do not let fear confuse you now. Because the same God who carried you through pain, is now carrying you into promise. Chosen one, your tears were not wasted. They were seeds, and now they are ready to grow into answers. Stay steady, stay faithful, stay ready. Because what I promised you in secret, I will now reveal in public. Chosen one. I am not finished with your story. In fact, it is just beginning. My beloved child, do not doubt what is unfolding now, because I am bringing you into something your past version could not handle, something that will require great strength and courage. Chosen one, you survived things that were meant to break you completely, but you are still here, still breathing, still standing. That is not weakness, that is my signature on your life. Chosen one, I did not save you to leave you halfway, I saved you for something greater, something bigger than your imagination, something that will unfold in time, and now the time is near, you will feel things shifting around you, suddenly, without warning. Chosen one, doors that were locked for years will begin to open, and you will not understand how, but I will show you later. I am removing people who cannot go where I am taking you, do not chase them, let me clear the path. Chosen one, what you thought was rejection was actually protection, what you thought was loss was actually alignment, and what you thought was the end, was only preparation. Chosen one, you are about to meet a version of yourself you have never seen before, strong, unshaken, chosen. And when that moment comes, you will finally stop asking why, because you will see my hand in everything. Chosen one, I am rewriting your story in a way no one can cancel, not jealousy, not delay, not darkness. Nothing will stop what I have decided for you. Chosen one, get ready, because the silence is about to break, and when it breaks, your life will never be the same again. My innocent souls, I am still speaking to your spirit right now. Do not scroll away, this is the moment everything begins to change for you. Chosen one, what is coming next will not look normal to your mind, but in your spirit, you will feel it before it happens. Chosen one, I am aligning things that were scattered in your life, pieces you thought were lost forever, are being brought back together. Chosen one, you will start noticing signs, small at first, a message, a timing, a meeting that feels too perfect. Chosen one, do not call it luck, do not call it coincidence, that is my hand moving in your direction. Chosen one, I heard the prayers you whispered when no one was around, I saw you asking for one more chance, one more door, one more hope. Chosen one, and I never ignored you, not even once, I was preparing the exact moment you are stepping into now. Chosen one, the waiting is almost over, the silence is about to break, and what you receive next will feel like it was delayed on purpose. Chosen one, I am lifting you out of places that kept you small, and placing you where your purpose can finally breathe. Chosen one, do not fear the unknown ahead, because I go before you, I prepare it before you arrive. Chosen one, very soon, you will look back at this season and understand everything, every delay, every tear, every unanswered question. Chosen one, nothing was wasted, nothing was random, nothing was forgotten, it was all leading you here. Chosen one, and now I say to you, get ready, because your life is about to change in a way you cannot reverse. I am not speaking to your mind now. I am speaking to your destiny. Listen deeply, because this moment will not come again in the same way. Chosen one. You thought I forgot your prayers, but I stored them for the right time. Not one tear was ignored, not one night was unseen. Chosen one. And now, the time has come for answers to rise. What was hidden is about to be revealed, what was blocked is about to move. Chosen one. Do not be afraid of sudden changes around you. Because sudden change is how I rewrite destinies. Chosen one. The people who walked away were not meant to carry you forward. I removed them, so you could rise without weight. Chosen one. You will understand this later, but I was saving your future from your past. Even when it hurt, I was protecting your direction. Chosen one. Now watch carefully. Things that were impossible are about to become normal in your life. Doors you could never open, will open without your effort. Chosen one. Not because you forced them, but because I approved them. Chosen one. You are entering a season where your name will be remembered differently. Not because you changed, but because your purpose is finally visible. Chosen one. Stay steady in your heart, do not let fear talk louder than faith. Because fear only speaks when something powerful is near. Chosen one. And something powerful is already surrounding your life. You cannot see it fully yet, but you will feel it soon. Chosen one. I am not testing you anymore, I am transitioning you. From waiting, into receiving. Chosen one. From silence, into testimony. From struggle, into breakthrough. Chosen one. And when it happens, you will not ask why me anymore. You will finally understand, it was always meant for you. My child, do not doubt the shift you are feeling inside your spirit right now. It is not imagination, it is preparation. Chosen one, something is breaking off from your life that was holding you back for years, and you will feel lighter soon, without even knowing why. Chosen one, I am removing unseen battles you have been fighting in silence, battles no one clapped for, no one understood. And I am replacing them with open paths, paths that will not require struggle the way before. Chosen one, do not be surprised when things start to flow suddenly, because what was blocked for a long time is now being released. Chosen one, I saw how you stayed kind even when life was unfair to you. I saw how you kept going when everything told you to stop. Chosen one, that strength was not human only, that was me holding you when you could not hold yourself. Now I am bringing reward where there was silence, I am bringing answers where there was confusion. Chosen one, you will start noticing that certain people cannot stay in your energy anymore. Do not chase them, let them leave. Because I am making space for what belongs to your future, not your past, not your pain. Chosen one, very soon, you will receive something unexpected, a door, a message, a shift you did not plan. Chosen one, and when it comes, you will feel peace before understanding, that is how you will know it is from me. Chosen one, I am not rushing your story, I am perfecting it. Every delay had meaning, every silence had purpose. Chosen one, now the meaning is about to be revealed, and the purpose is about to become visible. Chosen one, stay faithful in this moment, because what is coming next will confirm everything I have spoken over your life. My dear child, I am still here with you in this moment, and I need you to hear this with a calm heart, not fear. Chosen one, what is about to happen in your life will feel sudden, but it is not random, it has been written for you long before you understood anything. Chosen one, you will notice doors opening where there were only walls before, and you will not be able to explain it with logic. Chosen one, do not try to control it, do not try to force it, just walk with it. Chosen one, because I am guiding every step you take right now, even the ones that feel uncertain, I have not left you alone in any direction. Chosen one, you thought you were stuck, but you were actually being positioned. You thought nothing was happening, but I was working beneath the surface. Chosen one, now everything hidden is starting to surface, opportunities you stopped believing in are coming back alive. Chosen one, and the things that hurt you deeply will start to make sense, not to break you again, but to heal your understanding. Chosen one, I am not bringing you back to your past, I am bringing you forward into your purpose. Chosen one, do not be shocked when people from your past see your future and cannot recognize you, because the version I am building in you is different. Chosen one, stronger, clearer, calmer, not driven by pain anymore, but guided by purpose. Chosen one, very soon, you will stop asking when your time will come, because you will realize it has already started. Chosen one, and when it fully unfolds, you will say, I was never forgotten, I was being prepared. Chosen one, this is the final message, so listen with your spirit, not your fear. Chosen one, everything you went through was not to destroy you, it was to reveal you. Chosen one, every closed door, every silent night, every unanswered prayer, was shaping the strength you are walking in now. Chosen one, I did not bring you this far to leave you halfway. What I started in you, I will complete. Chosen one, now the season is changing, and you will feel it in your life, not slowly, but suddenly. Chosen one, what was heavy will start to feel lighter, what was blocked will start to move, what was delayed will finally arrive. Chosen one, and you will understand, nothing was ever against you, it was all preparing you for this moment. Chosen one, do not fear the new path ahead, because I am already there, waiting for you in your breakthrough. Chosen one, you are not the same person who started this journey, you are stronger now, wiser now, chosen now. Chosen one, and I say this over your life with authority, your waiting season is ending, your silent season is ending, your struggle season is ending. Chosen one, and your new beginning is here. Chosen one, walk forward now, without doubt, without fear, because everything you prayed for is already on its way to you. Chosen one, before you leave this message, listen one last time. Chosen one, if you felt even a small sign in your heart, while hearing this, do not ignore it. That feeling is not random, it means you are connected to this message, for a reason. And your next step matters. Chosen one, do not walk away, the same way you came. Something inside you has already started shifting. Chosen one, now declare this, in your heart, or out loud. I am ready for my breakthrough. I am chosen. I am not forgotten. Chosen one, and if this message touched your spirit, then stay open, stay aware, because more is coming for you. Chosen one, do not go back to doubt, do not return to fear. You have been spoken to, you have been prepared. Chosen one, your next chapter is not small, it is powerful. And it is already moving toward you. Chosen one, now step forward in faith. Because what is yours will not miss you.